Once again, very good morning to one and all. Okay. In our previous class, we have begun a new chapter, that is the necklace. The main characters of the chapters, as I discussed earlier, Matilda, she is the protagonist, you may say. Another one, her husband, Mr. Loisel, or her rich friend, you may say, Mrs. Forrester. In the story, we have already discussed that this lady, Matilda, she is young, pretty lady, you may say. She got a birth in a middle class family, in the family of clerks, you may say. And later on, she got married also to a clerk only, who works in CBSE, Board of Education, it is written. In between it happens that she is not at all happy with her life. All the time she is thinking about all the comforts, all the luxuries she can enjoy. These many things she is talking. और पूरे दिन भर उन्हीं की बातें. But on the other hand, husband of Matilda, name is Mr. Loisel, is quite happy with his life. जो भी उसके जीवन में उसको मिल रहा है, he is happy enough. But उसकी wife, she is not at all happy. और एक दिन जब Mr. Loisel, when he comes from his office to home, he is very much happy. And why is happy? That he has got an invitation card, wedding invitation card from the education minister. A clerk who is getting an invitation card for the wedding function of a minister's daughter. He was jubilant enough, happy enough. He thought that this would be a surprise for his wife. But something opposite happens. On that day, I planned to complete part 1, but I couldn't do because it took a long time to begin the class. Okay, see the first page only. One evening, her husband, first page पे आ जाइए, chapter 7, the necklace, and be with the story. One evening, her husband returned elated, happy, jubilant, बहुत खुश था. In his hand, a large envelope. Here he said, Mr. Loisel, who was the husband of Matilda, said, here is something for you. There is a surprise for you. आपके लिए मैं कुछ surprise लेके आया हूँ. Like that. And what was the surprise? She quickly drew out a printed card on which were inscribed these words. Inscribed means written. Some words were written on this card. जब भी अपने को कोई invitation card मिलता है, usually we go with the words or something that is inscribed on it. What is written, wedding कहाँ पे है, date क्या है, दूल्हे का नाम क्या है, दुल्हन का नाम क्या है, venue क्या है. All the things are mentioned over there. At what time party would begin, like this, all the details. I think all of you are mature enough to know it. Then, what is written? The Minister of Public Instruction. वो education minister नहीं है, but the public instruction का कोई minister है, कोई ministry से belong करता है. And Madam George asked the honor of Mr. and Mrs. Mr. and MME का मतलब होता है Madam. Mr. and Madam Loisel's company. And the date and time is given Monday evening, and the date is January 18 at the minister's residence. This is written in that card. Up to that we finished on that day. आप ये मान लीजिए कि एक क्लर्क है और क्लर्क को किसी मिनिस्ट्री से कार्ड मिला है, from the union minister. One gets the card. और इतनी लोअर पोस्ट पे अगर किसी को इस तरह बड़े मिनिस्टर का, बड़े ऑफिसर का अगर कोई कार्ड मिलता है, people usually become happy that they consider to us of this level that they usually invite us. Clear? Then, instead of being delighted, husband, who is Mr. Loisel, Matilda's husband, was expecting that she would be happy enough, but this did not happen. नहीं हुआ ऐसा. Instead of being delighted, as her husband had hoped, this was the hope. Her husband had this hope that she would be happy after getting this news that we have got the invitation card from Minister of Public Instruction. She threw the invitation spitefully, hurtfully upon the table, murmuring, and she has thrown the card like this. And she was murmuring also, कुछ बोल रही थी, बड़बड़ाना that we call, that voice that is not clear. Okay, what do you suppose I want with that? Anybody who can make the comment that yes sir, voice आ रहा है? Anybody who can tell? मेरा voice आप तक पहुंच रहा है? Please write in the comment section. हाँ, Mika Devede. Okay, very good, audible sir. Okay. I think all of you सब लोग अपने बुक के साथ में है ना, so be there with book only. Okay, very good. I have got a number of messages and all of you are writing yes sir. Okay, very good. So instead of being delighted, as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation spitefully upon the table, murmuring, and what she said, what do you suppose I want with that? That what you thought? That what would be my reaction? आपको क्या लगा था कि मैं I would accept this invitation? But my dear, dearie it is written, that also means dear. I thought it would make you happy, but I thought like this. It was my observation when I received the invitation card. मुझे लगा था कि it would make you happy. You never go out. और मुझे भी मैं खुश क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि usually you do not get the chance to go out. You usually stay at home only. आपको बाहर जाने का चांस नहीं मिल रहा. And this is an occasion. This is an opportunity, you may say. This is a chance, you may say, and a fine one. And this is interesting enough, good enough that we have got the invitation from such a big family, you may say, rich family, you may say. Everybody wishes one, or all the people have this wish कि अगर minister के यहाँ पे शादी है या कोई wedding function है, I should get the invitation. All of us have this kind of wish. And it is very select. Not many are given to employees. Many people did not get the invitation. I am one of them who is given the invitation. मैं उन लोगों में से एक हूं जिसको invitation मिला है. Many of the employees did not get it. You will see the whole official world there. You will see all the top class officials, all the top class officers over there. वहां पे हमारे मिनिस्ट्री के जितने भी ऑफिसर्स हैं या जितने भी नेता लोग हैं, even you may get Prime Minister Narendra Modi also over there in the ball, in the party. So I feel blessed that I'm invited for this function. She looked at him with an irritated eye, annoying eye, you may say. आपको क्या लगता है? I will go there, I will attend the function. I declared impatiently, and she has given the declaration. What she has given? What do you suppose I have to wear to such a thing as that? She means to say that मेरे पास तो कपड़े ही नहीं. And most of the time it happens. In this month end, I'm also going to attend a wedding function. I'm supposed to attend that. And मेरे घर में भी यही बातें होती, क्या पहनेंगे, कपड़े नहीं है, ये नहीं है. Women usually have a big collection of clothes. But then also when there is a wedding, there is a फंक्शन जो अपने आसपास में या अपने फैमिली रिलेटिव्स में होता है, usually they think a lot about the clothes, and the same thing is happening with this lady also, Matilda. This one. She looked at him with an irritating eye and declared impatiently, "What do you suppose I have to wear to such a thing as that? To such a grand party? मैं क्या पहनूंगी? Do you have any idea about it?" In the irritating, annoying voice, she told her like this, that what do you think? Do I have such good clothes to attend a wedding function at the minister's home? She means to say that I do not have good clothes, quality clothes, party wear clothes, you may say. मेरे पास तो ordinary kind of clothes are there. Okay, he had not thought of that. और जब वो when he was coming from the office, education office में काम करता है, that may be the CBSE, NCERT और राजस्थान बोर्ड, और he never thought about that कि उसके पास कपड़े तो नहीं है. He stammered, means he was speaking with quite difficulty. He was unable to answer the question of his wife. मेरे पास कपड़े तो नहीं है. How can I attend the party? इतने बड़े लोगों के यहाँ जा रहे हैं, मेरे पास कोई पार्टी वेयर क्लोथ्स ही नहीं है. So like that. Why the dress you wear when we go to the theater? It seems very pretty to me. अरे वो last time when we went to this one कोटा, अपन मूवी देखने गए थे, वो ड्रेस है तो सही, वो it looks quite pretty. The dress is quite good enough. और I think मेरे पास voice नहीं आ रहा, but some of you can write in the comment section. I think this happens with almost, you may say, with all the middle class ladies, that they are very much bothered about the clothes to wear in a party. Or they usually do not repeat also. अगर मान लीजिए आज किसी पर्टिकुलर वेडिंग में कोई कपड़े पहने, कोई साड़ी पहनी, कोई लहंगा पहना, they won't repeat it in the another one. Although they might be having a number of, मतलब उनके पास अच्छे गाउन होंगे, उनके पास अच्छे कपड़े होंगे, but they usually do not repeat the same kind of clothes in the another wedding. ये तो मैंने उसमें पहन लिया था, like that. He stammered. Stammered, he was speaking, but with quite difficulty. Means he was unable to speak well. Then, why? The dress you wear when you go to the theater, it seems very pretty to me. आपको जो थिएटर में जब अपन कब लोग मूवी देखने जाते हैं, and what a dress you usually wear, it seems very pretty enough to attend the party. वही पहन लेना. He was silent, stupefied, feeling of disappointment or in dismay. He was totally disappointed, feels stupid, like stupid kind of feeling comes, and is silent as well because he did not get the reply from another side. उसकी wife की तरफ से reply नहीं आया. At the sight of his wife's weeping, his wife was crying like anything. She was crying, weeping, रो रही है. He became speechless. He became silent. The complete disappointment was there. He was expecting something different and something opposite happened. And this one you may call the situational irony. I think many of you know what situational irony means. Irony, anybody you can write in the comment section what irony means. Irony हुआ. Here, whatever we have read na, ironical situation hai. What ironical situation means? Anybody you can write? Unexpected. Kritika Mehra is writing unexpected thing happened. What we think always opposite happens. Very good. Shreya Roy bhi अच्छे से लिख रही है. Arushi Singh is also writing what happens is opposite, what is expected. Very good. Very correct. Means yes, situational irony. You can be asked the question from this chapter that what do you understand by irony? Irony is something opposite. Something you expected and something opposite happened. Husband, when he came from the office, he was expecting that his wife would become excessive happy. But something opposite happened. कुछ अलग हुआ. Okay, very good. Soban Gadeli's statement that when taken in context may actually mean something different from or the opposite of what is written literally the use of word expressing something other than their literal intention, often in a humorous context. Okay, very good, very good. बहुत अच्छा लिखा शोभन सर, बहुत अच्छा लिखा. Okay, be with the text again. Then, when he saw that his wife was bitterly crying, weeping, he stammered. Again, he was unable to speak well. क्या हुआ भाई? May I help you in any way? What is the matter? What is the matter? This is only the question asked by us. कि क्या हुआ? What happened? By a violent effort, she had controlled her vexation. By a violent effort. जैसे अभी suppose you also start crying ना, और आपके parent आपको console कर रहे, but it's okay. But with violent effort means you made a lot of efforts to recover from the situation. She had controlled her vexation, that dust that was coming ना, or that annoyance, वो अपनी vexation refers to वो अपनी नाराजगी से बाहर आई, and responded in a very calm voice, wiping her moist cheeks. I say like this. I think my face you can see, wiping her moist cheeks. Nothing, नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ. When you start crying, parent आ रहा, teacher आ रहा आपके पास, he is asking, she is asking, but नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ पापा, मम्मी कुछ नहीं हुआ, nothing happened, like this. Nothing. Only I have no dress. बस मैं तो simply ये बताना चाह रही हूँ that I do not have a good party wear dress, and consequently I cannot go to this affair. I cannot attend this party. That's all. Give your card to some colleague whose wife is better fitted out than I, and you please do one thing. You give this card to your colleague. अपने किसी दोस्त को ये कार्ड दे दो, and he and his wife can attend the function. कोई मुझे बता सकता है कार्ड देने का यहाँ पे मीनिंग क्या है? What the meaning to give this card to somebody else? Anybody who can write? कार्ड क्यों दे दे दूसरों को? The reason is that she is not having good clothes, one thing. नहीं, Kritika Mehra is writing he can go as his representative, not like this. Representative नहीं है. Attending the party on behalf of them, no, not at all. ऐसा मीनिंग नहीं है. I think आपको कहीं कोई मेरे को भी एक बार ही चांस मिला था. Sorry to say, I am not asking this कि आपको चांस मिला क्या? ये जितने भी upper class or rich class people, especially ministries, इनमें जब भी आप whenever you go to attend a party to a particular function, you are given the entry in the wedding hall, in the party hall with that card only. कार्ड के साथ ही एंट्री मिलता है. एक बार मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही हुआ कि I was invited by somebody और I went there without card and I was not given the entry. फिर इधर उधर से फोन करवा के then we got the chance to. That's okay. Mihika Divedi, you are also writing, tell somebody else to go to the party instead of them. That is correct. This was only the purpose. But here the another meaning is also there, that somebody may get the chance to attend the wedding of such a great person. तो जितने भी बड़ी जो पार्टियां होती हैं उनमें they are usually given the chance to attend the party with that card only. Invitation अगर आपके पास कार्ड नहीं है, you will not be given the entry. Maybe because of security reasons, or maybe that selected people should come over there. Okay. He was grieved. He was, you may say, full of sorrow, disappointment, but answered. Let us see, Matilda. It's okay, Matilda. We will manage. Let's see what happens. How much would a suitable costume cost? Still, her husband, Mr. Loisel says, लोइजल को अभी भी लगता है कि अगर मान लीजिए कोई वेडिंग के लायक कोई अच्छी कोई ड्रेस खरीदना होगा, हाउ मच इट कॉस्ट कितना पैसा लगेगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली. समथिंग दैट वुड सर्व फॉर अदर ओकेजन, समथिंग वेरी सिंपल, एंड समथिंग सिंपल काइंड ऑफ थिंग यू परचेज एंड इट मे सर्व सम अदर पर्पस टू. अभी वेडिंग में पर्टिकुलर में जाना ही है मिनिस्टर के यहाँ पे, और फिर कोई दूसरे के यहाँ भी, या कोई दूसरे वेडिंग में या कोई दूसरे फंक्शन में भी आप पहन लो. जनरली आपने अपने मम्मी को पापा को देखा होगा, whenever they purchase clothes ना, हाँ ये इस वाले फंक्शन में भी काम आ जाएगा और it can be used in another function also. This happens with all of us, even at my home also. She reflected for some seconds, thinking of a sum that she could ask for without bringing with it an immediate refusal and a frightened exclamation from the economical clerk. She reflected for some seconds. Some seconds she thought, thinking of a sum, the amount, कि मैं clerk से कितना मांगू, how much I can ask to a clerk, that she could ask for without bringing with it an immediate refusal. And she was calculating in her mind the sum to be asked for the party wear clothes. She was calculating this so that she may not get the refusal from her husband's side. वो ऐसा अमाउंट बताना चाह रही है, जैसे मान लीजिए आपको पेरेंट पूछ ले बेटा आपको पर्टिकुलर इसमें कितना चाहिए, कितना अमाउंट चाहिए, then you calculate in your mind and take 100, 200, 500 like this, and then you tell okay पापा 500, और आप ऐसा अमाउंट बताते हैं कि पापा मना नहीं करते, मम्मा मना नहीं करते, like this. So here the same thing is happening. She reflected for some second, thinking of a sum that she could ask for without bringing with it an immediate refusal. Or sometimes suppose you ask more than expected, parents usually say no, this cannot happen. The same thing is happening with this lady Matilda also. वो भी चाहती है कि कहीं ऐसे मना नहीं कर दे उसका clerical, because all of us know the standard of our family, na? So accordingly only we ask her. Finally she said in a hesitating voice, or as एकदम clearly नहीं बोल रहा, with hesitation she speaks, I cannot tell you exactly, but it seems to me that 400 francs ought to cover it. I think 400 francs, that you may consider 400 rupees. पुराना story है, 400 रुपए काफी है. 400 francs is written here. 400 francs. I think 400 काफी है. She has given the digit. She has given that sum to her husband. He turned a little pale. अब pale refers to when you are unable to face the things. When one becomes pale, means he was unable to face the situation, because 400 francs was such a big amount for this clerk, for her husband. Because he had saved just this sum, because he has only saved 400 francs. This sum refers to 400 francs to buy a gun. He has saved this much money only. For what purpose? To purchase a gun. उसके पास 400 रुपए का सेविंग था, and 400 rupees it is asked by his wife. He might be able to join some hunting party the next summer with some friends who went to school, who went to shoot larks. Lark is a kind of bird on Sunday. Nevertheless, फिर भी he answered, very well, okay. He has kept aside to his wish to purchase a gun. उसका प्लान था कि मैं एक गन परचेज करूंगा and I will go with my friends to shoot on coming Sunday. But ठीक है, he has dropped that idea, and this happens with your parents, that usually they sacrifice their own interest, you may say, own likes, dislikes, you may say, and they usually support you people. Nevertheless, he answered, very well, I will give you 400 francs, but try to have a pretty dress. Take it, it's okay. Granted, 400 francs are given to you, but थोड़ा अच्छे वाले dress, pretty dress you purchase. So this is part 1. Part 2, you see, the day of the ball approached. Party का दिन बिल्कुल नजदीक आने वाला था. And MME here refers to Madame Loisel. MME, French word that means madam. Mrs. you may say. Madame Loisel or Mrs. Loisel seemed sad. She was still sad, disturbed, anxious. Nevertheless, her dress was nearly ready. Uska dress तैयार था. Her husband said to her one evening, what is the matter with you? You have acted strangely for 2 or 3 days. I can see. कई बार आपके भी parents usually they make the observation of your behavior. बेटा पिछले 2-3 दिन से मैं देख रहा हूँ. There is something wrong with you. You are not behaving well. May I know the reason? The same thing is asked by Matilda's husband also to Matilda. मटिल्डा से पूछा, भाई पिछले 2-3 दिन से दे रहा हूँ, awkwardly you are behaving with me, may I know the reason? आपका ड्रेस व्रेस सब रेडी है, but then also you are not happy. I have already granted 400 tranches to you. You have bought a good dress, also pretty good looking dress also you have bought, but then also I see. ठीक है? And she responded, I am vexed, I am annoyed, I am worried not to have a jewel, nothing to adorn myself with, nothing to decorate myself. Because I think all of you know, girls can understand in a better way that women usually like to wear jewelry also. Jewelry is very much liked by ladies. ज्वेलरी ऐसा नहीं है जेंट्स के लिए नहीं होती, अंगूठी वगैरह ये बहुत सारी चीजें, रिंग वगैरह बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जो जेंट्स भी पहन सकते हैं, बट इट इज यूजुअली नॉट लाइक्ड बाय जेंट्स. और वीमन को चाहे आप कितना भी गोल्ड, कितना भी सिल्वर और व्हाटएवर थिंग्स दैट वी कैन परचेज फॉर देम, इट इज लेस ओनली. सो शी इज क्वाइट एंग्जियस नाउ फॉर अ ज्वेलरी, कि वो करे कि मेरे पास तो अच्छा कुछ पहनने को ज्वेलरी ही नहीं है. I shall have such a poverty stricken look. I would not prefer to go to this party. 400 francs भी ले लिए, foreign francs she collected from her husband. She had bought a good looking or pretty looking dress also. Or last moment पे when parties were approaching very near, it is very near to, जैसे मान लीजिए 27th और 9th कोई पार्टी है और लास्ट मोमेंट एट द 11th आवर यूजुअली से लास्ट मोमेंट पे कहते नहीं मैं नहीं जाऊंगी पार्टी में. ही रिप्लाइड, यू कैन वेयर सम नेचुरल फ्लावर्स. अरे भाई कोई बात नहीं, बड़े लोगों की पार्टी में जा रहे, दैट्स ओके, दैट आई अंडरस्टैंड, वन शुड बी गुड लुकिंग, बट आई थिंक ज्वेलरी नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन एडजस्ट विद नेचुरल फ्लावर्स ऑल्सो. इन दिस सीजन दे लुक वेरी चिक ऑल्सो, ब्यूटीफुल, सुंदर दिखता है, ये सीजन में तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. लाइक दैट यू कैन सी दैट our husband, Matilda's husband, Mr. Loisel, is adjusting with all the situations. Whatever situations are there, he is happy and he is adjusting himself, you may say. She was not convinced, but she was not at all convinced. Convinced नहीं हो पाई. Means Mr. Loisel was unable to convince Matilda, and she was not adjusting with flowers, natural flowers. She wanted some jewelry, you must say. No, she replied, there is nothing more humiliating than to have a shabby air in the midst of rich women. वो कहता नहीं मुझे नहीं जाना. I may feel insulted over there in such a rich woman. And then her husband cried out. अब उसका husband रोने लग गया. अरे भाई क्या हो गया? जितना मेरा सेविंग था, that I was supposed to purchase a gun, वो भी मैंने आपको दे दिया. Everything I have given. You were ready to attend the party. आपने कपड़े भी अच्छे बनवा लिए. At the 11th hour you say that I won't attend it. Then her husband cried out, how stupid we are. Go and find your friend Madam Forrester and ask her to lend you her jewels. You do one thing. हमें ये पार्टी अटेंड करनी है. Anyhow you do not get the chance to go out, and we have got such a good opportunity, good occasion we have got, and we should attend the party. चलो ऐसा करो, आपकी दोस्त नहीं है मैडम फॉरेस्टर, अरे उससे कुछ बोरो कर लो यार, यू बोरो समथिंग टू वेयर ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर पार्टी. शी uttered a cry of joy. She was happy enough to, अरे ये आइडिया अच्छा है. The idea that was said by her husband, ना, she liked it. It's true, she said. I had not thought of that. मैंने ये तो सोचा ही नहीं था. I never thought like this. The next day she took herself to her friend's house. फ्रेंड के घर पे चली गई. and related her story of distress and everything she told. and मेरी तो लाइफ ही खराब हो गई, मैं तो क्लर्क के घर पे पैदा हुई, क्लर्क से मेरी मैरिज हो गई, मेरा तो बड़े मिजरेबल लाइफ चल रही है. everything she told. मैडम फॉरेस्टर went to her closet, वो अलमीरा that we call, अपने अलमीरा के पास गई. took out a large jewel case, एक बड़ा सा big size jewel case she has brought that was carrying a number of jewelry items. Opened it and said, choose my dear, whatever you wish to choose that one. आपको जो अच्छा लगे, choose that. She saw at first some bracelets. पहले तो उसने कुछ ब्रेसलेट ट्राई किया कि ये ठीक लगेगा, ये ठीक लगेगा. Then a collar of pearls. फिर उसने कुछ ऐसा कॉलर का, कुछ pearls वगैरह का, कोई भी ज्वेलरी के सारे आइटम है. Then a Ventian cross of gold. Then jewels of admirable workmanship. She tried the jewels before the glass. और जब भी अपन ज्वेलरी या कपड़े खरीदते हैं, यूजुअली वी स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द बिग ग्लास, अदर वी सी मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ. लाइक दैट, सपोज आई परचेज समथिंग, मैंने कोई जैकेट खरीदना है, कोई कोट खरीदना है, तो मैं उसके सामने खड़े होकर मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ. अपीयरेंस यूजुअली वी सी, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ अस, इवन बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, ऑल ऑफ अस हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ विश कि गुड लुकिंग सब दिखना चाहते हैं. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट आल्सो. She tried the jewels before the glass, hesitated, but could neither decide to take them nor leave them. And this happens with clothes and jewelry both. जब अपन कपड़े खरीदने जाते हैं ना, पूरा दुकान निकाल दिया, बट मम्मी को एक साड़ी पसंद नहीं आती है. And we usually leave that shop also. उस दुकान से चले जाते हैं. अपन ने भी, पापा वो मान लीजिए बहुत सारी चीजें पापा लोग तो जल्दी से खरीद लेते हैं, but it happens with women that they are unable to select the clothes well. मैं किसी का against नहीं बोल रहा. The things which are happening ना, I think all of you understand. Please answer some of you. मैं किसी के बारे में नहीं बोल रहा. I'm not talking about your father. I'm not talking about my wife. I'm not talking about your family. I'm not talking about my family. I'm just simply trying to convince you. The story or the chapter that we are discussing now ना, मेरा only and only purpose is to make you understand. Okay, जल्दी करिए, अपन जल्दी finish करेंगे second part. Then she asked, have you nothing more? और कुछ है आपके पास दिखाने को? मैडम फॉरेस्टर को वो spoke like this. Why? Yes, look for yourself. I do not know what will please you. I exactly do not know what will make you happy. Suddenly she discovered in a black satin box a superb necklace of diamonds. और फिर finally उसकी नजरें वहां पे necklace पे गई. And she liked it. And this is only the story. Now you can see the title also, necklace. Her hands trembled as she took it out. Trembled means trembling like this. When she took it out, she placed it about her throat against her dress and was ecstatic. That refers to very happy, excited. और जैसे उसने यहाँ पे लगाया, then she came to know she was happy and jubilant. मजा आ गया. Very good. This will fit me well. Then she asked in a hesitating voice, and she was full of anxiety also, could you lend me this? I wish to borrow this necklace from your side. Is it possible to? Then only this. Why? Yes, certainly. And this was the reply from her friend's side. Hey, why not? You can take it. It's my pleasure that you borrowed something from me. जिसको भी borrow करना होता है, usually we do not borrow. जो lender है ना, someone who gives the item, they are usually happy to help somebody. She fell upon the neck of her friend, embraced her with passion, like this. गले मिल रही है. Both of them were happy enough. Then went away with her treasure. Treasure refers to the necklace. The day of the ball arrived. Now the party आज ही है. Today evening they are going to attend the party. Madame Loisel was a great success. She was the prettiest of all. And when comparison was going on, usually we see in the parties what kind of sari you wear, what kind of sari I wear. Usually we even do not repeat the same clothes in the same another party. So it happens na. She was one of the prettiest among all these many ladies who were attending the party. Elegant also, gracious also, smiling also, full of joy, because foreigner Francis का तो उसने अच्छे से ड्रेस खरीद लिया, अच्छा गाउन खरीद लिया, and she has borrowed one good necklace also from her rich friend, Madame Forrester. Then all the men noticed her because she was the most prettiest woman over there attending the party. So most of the people were watching her only. Asked her name, and many of them wanted to have the introduction with this lady and wanted to be presented. She danced with enthusiasm. Intoxicated means filled with pleasure. She danced a lot in the party, means enjoyed, you may say. Intoxicated means filled with pleasure. Intoxicated with pleasure means पागल हो गई, like that, नशे में हो गई जैसे. तो पार्टी का जो pleasure का जो नशा है, that refers to that she was jubilant, happy, excited, thinking of nothing but all this admiration. When she was admired by many people in the party, she became happy enough. This victory so complete and sweet of her heart. She went home towards 4 o'clock in the morning, or around पूरी रात भर they were enjoying the party, और early morning hours, सुबह के 4 बज रहे हैं, and they're coming to home. Her husband had been half asleep in one of the little saloons since midnight. Or her husband, Mr. Loisel, got tired in the party. He is having rest somewhere in the room. कोई आसपास में जो भी कमरे थे उसमें रेस्ट कर रहा है. With 3 other gentlemen whose wives were enjoying themselves very much, and 3 gentlemen were sitting there. और उन 3 के साथ में उसका husband भी बैठा है, and half asleep you may say, because next day he needs to attend the office also. He threw around our shoulders the modest wraps that we call not expensive. They had carried, whose poverty clashed with the elegance of the ball costume. She wished to hurry away in order not to noticed by other women who were wrapping themselves in rich furs, and she wanted to go home as early as possible now, because सुबह के 4 बज रहे, and she wants to go home. Loisel retained her. Wait, said he, I'm going to call a cab. नहीं, मैं अपन पैदल नहीं जाएंगे. I wish to call a Ola cab वालों को फोन कर दिए. But she would not listen and descended the steps rapidly. When they were in the street, they found no carriage, or they were unable to arrange. Early morning 4 बजे का time है, they were unable to arrange a cab. So they began to seek for one, hailing the coachman whom they saw at a distance. Coachman वहाँ पे था, and they saw him. They walked along towards the river, hopeless, shivering. और winter का time है, they are shivering. आपने देखा होगा parties में women when they go to attend the party, उनको कोई shivering नहीं होता, कोई ठंड नहीं लगती. But when they come back from the party, they start shivering. Finally, they found one of those old carriages that one sees in Paris after nightfall. It took them as far as their door, and they went wearingly up to their apartment. Finally, they reached to their flat, you may say. It was all over for her, and on his part, he remembered that he would have to be at the office by 10 o'clock. They have reached to the home. At the same time, it clicks to the mind of this man who is the clerk in education department. कि कल सुबह मुझे 10 बजे ऑफिस भी जाना है. I think it is too late. We can finish this. She removed the wraps from her shoulders before the glass for a final view of herself in her glory. And before she, you may say, removes the clothes, she wanted to see herself. कि कैसी लग रही है वो. She wanted to see in the, the glass, you may say, for a final view of herself in her glory. कि how beautiful she looks. Suddenly she uttered a cry. She started crying. All of a sudden, घर पे सब एकदम खुशी से, सब लोग अच्छे से डांस करके, पार्टी अटेंड करके, she is happy enough, she has reached to home, अपार्टमेंट में आ गई, और उसके बाद में she is wanted to have a look in the glass कि मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ. Then she will change herself. So before she changed herself, she wanted to see her look. Then all of a sudden she cried. Her necklace was not around her neck. Whatever necklace she has borrowed from her rich friend Madame Forrester, it was not there. I knew. Now this is the U-turn of the story that will continue in the next class. Still one part is left that we will discuss in the next class. I hope all of you are enjoying the story and understand it also. ऐसा मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों से. Today it is 7. We can stop the recording now. Please answer something.